Hey everyone, this is Amanda doing a screencast with you today with Boeing Aircraft Company. Today we're going to be discussing our upcoming overseas journey to Paris, France. So a little bit about who we are, which is what I want to begin with. As we all know, we are an American multinational corporation. We design, manufacture, and sell airplanes, rotorcraft, rockets, satellites, and missiles. We also provide product support services. As of 2 years ago, we have celebrated our 100-year anniversary, so this is extremely exciting. We want to go to Paris, France, as it is an ideal opportunity seeking area because we do not have any regional offices in these areas. It would be important to set up an office here so that we could sell to more suppliers and expand our sales. As we all know, Paris, France is one of the most popularly visited places, and it would be ideal to set up an office here. So today I want to go over a few things about greetings, meetings, appropriate attire, a little bit about cultural etiquette, and a few other things that will help us make the best impression possible when we're on our journey to France. Let's begin. With greetings, France is very different than America. They are extremely formal when it comes to their business meeting introductions. When meeting with someone for the first time, one should also refer to their superiors as Madame or Monsieur. Handshakes are brisk and light with only a few shakes. If you're going to meet late, make sure that you call them and let them know because they are very particular about being on time. Make sure you exchange business cards in French. It is seen as being attentive. So yes, that's me telling you that you should exchange business cards. And French is obviously their first language. Second is German. And then they have a third one that I'm not extremely aware of. So yes, French is good. It will make you look good. Alright, a little bit about meetings and general rules. Something that Americans love to do is to chat and ask questions about personal life to break the ice. Avoid doing this while in France. It is not considered professional or cute. Expect to be asked a lot of questions. Negotiations are made relatively slow, so do not rush the process. And don't expect decisions to be made at the meeting, as they are usually be made by higher officials later. So, again, avoid pressuring sales tactics at all costs. Appropriate attire. France, as we all know, is one of the world's leading fashion countries, so attire must be completely formal as it is something that is paid much attention to. Men should wear dark-colored formal suits, and women may wear formal suits with softer colors. Any accessories that are worn must be of high quality. So I'm not saying that you have to wear something that's like $500, but just put thought into whatever you're wearing. Don't wear something cheap, don't wear something tacky. Whatever you wear, just make sure it's in good taste. Let's go into a little bit about culture and etiquette. So another stereotype that is not so much a stereotype is that France is a very culturally rich country and is centralized around their food and wine. There is a decent chance the meeting could take place in a restaurant or something with a meal involved. If so, keep in mind, as I have said before, to be on time. This is very important. Don't begin eating until invited with bon appetit. Cross your fork and knife over your plate with the fork in front of the knife if you have not finished eating, and flowers and wine are usually given as gifts and opened on receipt, rather than set aside for later. I know in America this can be seen as being greedy, but not in France. It could be considered rude. So if you are given any gifts, make sure that you open it right away. Alright, well, good luck on your adventures. This business trip will be centralized around high-end business making decisions. Cultural awareness is very important. I need bright, attentive employees who are educated in the French language and will present the best possible image for our country as possible. Thank you for tuning in, and bonne chance!